Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a floral number. Avid is turning 3 this November. This is a part of his birthday decor, so this you can use it for any of your events. So basically I am a lazy person, so I always find such easy methods to do, and I have not kept any measurements out here because I'm really bad at numbers. I don't want to get into numbers. So what I've done, I've randomly cut the papers. I've randomly done it, and yeah, I tried to fill in the regions where it was left open. Let me tell you one thing before I get into that. I in fact checked in many of the Instagram pages. I also checked in Amazon if I can get one floral letter or a floral number. Around 12 inches of a letter would cost 1200, like $1,200. And I was like, let me give it a try. I'll tell you, this is going to be the most easy and an affordable way of doing the floral numbers. Let's see how we can do that. All you need for this is a number which is made out of a carton, and then gum, and then you need a crepe paper, and then one stapler. This is the crepe sheet which we are using, and you can see the quality is very nice, and the color is so good. Like, blue is my favorite color, and this has come out to be like really nice blue. Okay, I'll be cutting the crepe sheet with this particular width, more like a square. I'm going to show you how we can do that. Even if it goes a little bigger or smaller, it's not an issue, because you don't really have to bother about the size over here, because if it is smaller we can put 2 and it's going to look fabulous. Even if it is a bigger one, you can put 1. Either way it looks absolutely fine, so nothing to worry about the size part here. So as I told, I'm going to take that particular width and I'm going to cut it right. So this is the length, and yeah, I'm gonna fold it. Yeah, here how much folds we would need is the amount of petals we want in the flower. So I want 8, so I'll just turn it in like 8 times. So we have to cut it into squares, so basically like this. Now all we have to do is take a stapler over here, and we're going to staple it in the mid over here like this. Yeah, and now we have to cut it in a circle shape. Just take anything like a cap or something, draw a circle over here, and then cut it up. I'm gonna take this one. So it's going to look like this. All you have to do is just take each and every piece, like literally each and every piece separately, and then you'll have to crush it. Okay, like this. And then again another one, all the individual pieces here. So this is how it should look, and then you have to open it separately like this, like this, a flower, so that's how it's gonna turn. And let me finish off all this and I'll get back to you. Yeah. In fact, this is actually another way of doing a floral number. You just need a square sheet like this, and you can use a pencil or a pen, twirl it across, and when you get a something like this, you can just paste it. Ta-da! Here you go. And this would look something like this. So hope you all liked the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, and also stay tuned because I'm also planning to put the small little decors which I've planned for Avi's birthday. Like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and share among your mommy friends as well so that they get some really good information. Having said that, it's time to say bye-bye, take care, cherish every moment of your motherhood. See ya.